Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Chibi clay. First, gather your polymer clay in a few colors, along with some simple sculpting tools like a needle tool and a small knife. Conditioning your clay is crucial. Knead it thoroughly until it's warm and soft. This makes it much easier to work with and prevents cracking. Before you begin, visualize your Chibi character's pose and general design. This initial planning helps guide your sculpting process effectively. Now let's sculpt the basic body. Start by rolling a small, smooth oval for the head. It should be approximately 1/3 of your Chibi's total height for that classic proportion. Next, form a pear-shaped body, making it a bit wider at the bottom to ensure your character stands steadily. Gently attach 2 small, cylindrical pieces for the arms and 2 similar pieces for the legs, ensuring they are proportionate to the body. With the basic body done, it's time for the adorable details. For the eyes, roll 2 tiny balls of white clay and place them on the face, then add even smaller black balls for the pupils. A simple, small mouth can be made with a thin roll of clay or just a gentle indentation. Don't forget the ears. Sculpt 2 small, rounded shapes and carefully attach them to the sides of the head, just below the eye line. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. For hair, flatten pieces of clay and layer them to create volume and style. You can sculpt simple clothing elements directly onto the body for a seamless appearance. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Once your Chibi is complete, bake it according to the specific instructions on your polymer clay package to ensure it hardens properly and lasts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.